I am Chanel Matthews, and this is Unfiltered. What's one thing you would change about Jamaica?
Crime, job, healthcare sector.
Cost of living.
Poverty and crime.
We asked Jamaicans to share their thoughts.
One thing I would change about Jamaica, I'd say how it speaks to each other. Normally, it would have been a case in which you would speak to each other negatively and would want to have a positive outcome. I'd say more positive things you can say to each other can really go a far way because you never know what someone may be going through.
Crime and violence needs to cease, and then we'll have a better country, and children can thrive into a better land.
The violence, because it's affecting the humanity.
How are we going to reproduce for the future if we kill off the women and the children? Where is the future if we kill off the children?
Cost of living, because I believe it is way too high, for the poor and for the people who really can't afford certain things, trust me.
Crime in general. I mean, Jamaicans need to be safe and secure. So I will start with the crime and also the job.
The economic system. We need better job, better pay, so this country would run better.
Well, if I could do one thing for Jamaica, I would bring down the food price.
I go in at the supermarket, and I buy, this is $14,000. I'm having another bag right here, so now. Yeah? And trust me, people who have 4 and 5 kids, how much $14,000 them can afford?
Poverty and crime. Yeah, that will change. Poverty and crime, that won't change. Yeah.